probably ask if you want to be on a video.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna start recording all the way in and stuff. Oh yes.
Okay.
Right. So I decided to I have 2 videos posted on YouTube. It's just me hunting, silent.
I do want to start getting doing stuff. If I start getting like more off-road vehicles and go to the sand dunes, I want to get like a GoPro for my helmet. I want to get an actual off-road, like a good ATV helmet. But if I get like a dirt bike,
Fucking
cool
dumb as
shit.
hell, but there's no hair in the way now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright. Walk. So, there's that. And there's also that. Climb up there.
I'm not doing that.
Well, this is why we brought him.
Did this door move more last time?
Maybe. Oh, hold this for a second. Damn, there's a mattress? What the fuck?
That's new. I don't remember seeing that last time. Alright, let's see if we can fit through here. That'll be a testament, actually.
Yeah.
I really do not want to climb over, but
We do what we must. You got it. Oh.
yeah, my big hunting boots would keep going over.
That sucks ass.
The fucking floating
It's... Wish there was still more railway to walk on.
What's an air mattress?
I don't think it's filled enough. Oh.
Fucking muddy.
Yeah, it is. There's a piece of it here. Can't even see.
It's so foggy.
That's not picking up anything yet. Jesus.
More bricks and shit.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, there's like some stuff like that. Which is like sinking down. Oh, there's a lot of wood here. That's good. Huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Kind of a rider mode? No, that's it.
This is my. If I go to the bar, it like dissipates insanely fast in the fucking air like that. Like that shit.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, damn.
My spotlight.
Nice and shallow now. Oh, it like changes.
Yeah.
Different tone inside. This is sick though.
Yo, look at that.
Oh yeah.
That's fucking cool.
This isn't picking up because I don't have like a nighttime recording. I could do a nighttime picture though. Here.
Yeah.
Damn. You can like kind of see the walls when I look at them, but. How's my spider webs though? Wood's gone, but it's still dry. Yeah. Oh, it's actually flowing.
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, there's a cave.
Oh, yeah. Some of those are like bits of the rail I brought up.
Yeah.
Oh, dude. That is so fucking cool.
Bro.
I can't change zoom while in video. Didn't know that.
I'm at a fire here.
The mattress owner.
Yeah. You see through there? Or is it like locked?
No. It goes up a bit. I think from. Yeah, just a little bit. Just goes into rock. Ugh. It's like fucking concrete.
Yeah.
Jesus, don't fall.
Die, you have to carry me out.
Hey, you said one of us would die, right? There. You're gonna get another night photo of that, hopefully.
People showed up, I was just standing here in darkness.
Yeah. We just suddenly turn our lights on. They're like, what the fuck? I wonder if it would be this foggy if it weren't so humid out.
Yeah, I wonder if it was because like the rain just. I mean, there was some rain sure down here.
Yeah. I mean, there wasn't a lot, but like, yeah. If that's the case, perfect time. The fog makes it so much cooler.
At least outside.
Yeah, outside it wasn't. Yeah, I expected there to be worse sections than the start. I expected there'd be like harder to get through sections than the start.
Yeah.
But it got so much easier with all the track pieces, I guess.
Walking through this part of the water, my legs are getting cold as fuck.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, we kicked up so much sediment. There's fucking nothing there. I just sunk down. Now for the worst part. There's something sticking up right there. Jesus. Fucking so much.
This is brand new.
That lock?
Yeah.
And maybe that's why it didn't move last time, or it did move last time. Yeah, I feel like it did kind of shift. Dangerous undertow. Stay clear of water. Fucking
undertow out here, damn.
it's moving.
Like splash my ass going underneath it because I couldn't fucking fit normally.
Not as far as I thought, yeah, definitely, but still pretty sick. I hope those night photos turn out good.
Yeah.
I think they'll be like decent at least, but like If they fully capture all that fog,
That's cool.
that'd be so cool.
I think my phone's camera shoot okay with that. The one's deep in there. That's pretty sick. Let's use a GoPro with it. Decent for a phone, I think.
Yeah, it was a while ago now, towards the end of winter. There's the aurora and stuff.
Yeah.
Got out. I took a time lapse of it. I didn't know how it would turn out, so I left it for like just like a few minutes, so it ended up being like 5 seconds or whatever, like a minute or something. But it turned out really cool. I'm disappointed that I didn't leave it for longer.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. I didn't actually see that when it happened. I don't know. I'm not sure what I was doing. Probably passed out, honestly.
Yeah, Winston State Tunnel. Yeah.